Hi guys, it is time for another One Up Wednesday! I don't know why I keep doing my finger when I do this, but you know, you get the picture. Yeah. One Up Wednesday, well today's challenge, what we're going to do is, we're going to do the cereal box challenge. I don't know if you've ever seen this before. Saffron, explain what we've got to do.
What we have to do is, only using our mouths, we have to try and pick up the cereal box off the floor. We can't be on the floor though, we have to be still on our 2 feet. So this is going to be interesting, because I'm not flexible.
So if we get it, then we rip a bit off, and then it just keeps going down until somebody gets it. But to be honest with you, I don't think Saffron and I are going to be able to get that. So we'll see how this goes. So we can't use our hands. Okay. So Saffron, you go first.
Try squatting.
Yeah, we might need a bigger box.
Hold on. Let's do this. Okay.
Come on, Saffron, you can do it.
You can do it. Had it. I nearly had it.
Yeah, we had it.
Okay.
Go on, you can do it. Hang on, can she do it?
This is so...
This is, just have a look at that image right there.
Oh!
Health and safety. Right, she did it though, she did it.
I did touch the floor at one point with my
hand. We'll let her off, This is going to be interesting, because if we both get this and rip it, there's not a chance we're going to get the next one.
You did that well easy.
Okay, right, I can do that one. Right, let's rip an inch off.
How even?
There's no way Saffron's going to get this. No, at all. Right.
How much are you ripping off?
An inch.
That was more than an inch.
Right, okay.
Oh my goodness.
Go big or go home.
I'm going to try your method.
Alright, go on. Right, I'll tell you what, I'll try.
You have to use your mouth.
Okay.
Yeah. So badly want to push you over. He was so close though.
Ah, there we go.
Okay. Right, I'm trying to lunge.
Lunge!
This is the highest point.
Oh my goodness, man.
Okay.
Go on, Saffron. Go on, Saffron.
Okay.
Just realise, don't do it. That makes me the winner again.
This is so low.
There's no way I'm going to get lower than that personally. But right, well, that's a good technique. No, it's not. Maybe not then.
Okay, hold on.
It's looking good.
No.
Well, I think that is us.
No, give me one more attempt.
Okay, one more attempt. Go on.
Okay. Okay.
Yet another one. Chris for the win.